Is there a secret to greatness? Is there an underlying feature that laces the success of all the most prominent people in history? The answer is simple yes. It is called passion. This is something you may have heard a number of times, but a very few people understand what the word passion implies. The word itself, passion, derives from the Latin root pati, which means to suffer. The veracity in this linguistic statement lies in the fact that passion is what moves you to persevere at something despite fear, unhappiness, or pain. It is a determination and motivation to push through the suffering for the sake of an end goal. What is more, this kind of motivation has an actual source in the brain. I like to use the word passion interchangeably with words like determination, conviction, and love. Passion is a strong desire that can get you to do amazing things. Passion is an emotion to be acted upon. Without action, passion yields no worthwhile results. Passion is the fuel in the fire of action. When you have passion for something, you love it even when you hate it. So what is passion? How do you recognize your passion? And how do you put it to good use? So let us start with the basic. What is passion? A desire fueled by passion will bring about the greatest results in life. I like to skate, but I don't have the determination to push myself through what can happen with me, broken bones, hospital visits. That's why I'm not good as I could be, which means I don't have a passion for it. Passion can push you through difficult times because you don't care what it takes to become better. We all have the ability to create whatever kind of life we want. The secret to living the dream is hidden in our passions and what we do because of them. How to know what you are passionate about? Finding what you are passionate about is a journey by itself. Don't be frustrated if you don't know like you know yet. Keep trying new things. It will come even if you have to build it. If you find your passion or find yourself hot on its trail, don't give up. What if you know what you have passion for, but you don't do anything about it? This is the main problem with passion. You can have all the passion in the world for something, but you never do anything about it. That passion is useless. Let me tell you, it's just useless. You have to forget about it. Maybe you work a good job that pays you all the bills, but it does not allow you truly to follow your passion. You are afraid of what will happen if you change things up. Yes, change is scary, but it is not until we get out of our comfort zone that we find that we have been missing out on. You have to move out of your comfort zone. You are author of your life. Don't settle for bare minimum just because it's working out right now. It's paying you enough to live. You will never know what you are truly capable of unless you push yourself. But even when you pursue your passion, you will find yourself tripped by many failures and many obstacles come your way. You can't let that get to you. It happens to everyone on the path following their passion. Abraham Lincoln, the greatest president US had a strong passion for building a great country, and that is what US is all about today. You think he let a few failures stop him from that? Don't let obstacles get you down. Simon Sinek says, passion is an output of vision. When we feel our efforts are contributing to a greater purpose, we feel passionate. Not all of us are visionaries. So when we find vision that resonates with us, our responsibility is to contribute our individual gifts to help bring that vision to life.
For more videos, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon to get notifications of new uploaded videos. Also, please share your comments.